Me share Kwadura me talk Kwadu 5 series. Me see can you already ana. Omu jiskawe biom. But one is omu jiskawe.
Economy more you, but you said I'm so any question.
One is a new quest way.
Sana say uko to the request more from among some.
Into me talk popcorn me see can here 20 pesos obedi. Oh, say me is carry free.
They say Ghana and this Saskawe biom.
You say Ghana here.
Yendi Saskawe.
E dey to no mun discover.
Who the got to the common biom?
Yendi. E dey to the yendi. When is your abandon no? Abandon so abandon.
Na sachet water say no. Yes hwa no omo antum because sachet water so omo ye no de beto abonte say ai omo ne ma omo de ye no fa hin kosi he nti no su no betum. MNA trade minister kraba abonte be ka say da bi. Omo no nyina be si nkonwa sana omo hu say ebo no de be ka ho a omo timi de aka ho. Na so ka me say wo konkraman temu di a ensuo ni yatum. From 50 pesos sachet water wo to ba ko a yes say 1 Ghana edi ebe nti a ye ni 20 pesos ye ni 10 pesos ene kofo batem no kra de nka ho sa 1 peso no sa kwensi de ye ni e wo ye nkraman temu.
I went out to buy water from one of the vendors in front of our school, and then I got there. I was expecting her to give me check, but the moment I took the water, she told me that one is for 1 series, and I was like, I heard this policy, but I don't know if it has been passed out or something. So I didn't buy the water. I'm going somewhere else to buy it. I'm really sad because, and then according to her, she said it's because of the coins, the 20 pesos and then the 10 pesos issue. That's why she's not, selling the water for 70 pesos. And I think this shouldn't be an issue.
Sorry to say, but it's the illiterates who are bringing those policies. I don't know, because the government hasn't passed any policy that we are not supposed to take coins or we are not supposed to use coins. But I don't know why they are doing that. And it's very bad. So I think the government should really look into it very well and push strict regulations for that. We beg, because they are making our lives very hard. Thank you.
Almost the NTI, I say, so no more turn 1 Ghana and then say 20 pesos, 10 pesos. Okay
guys, so today we're doing a social experiment, right? There's been this rumors that the 20 pesos, right? The 20 pesos and then the 10 pesos coins are not being accepted by traders. So we're going to the street to find out if traders are going to accept them or not. Follow me, let's go. Me share Kwadura me talk Kwadu 5 series. Me see can you already ana. Omu jiskawe biom. But one is omu jiskawe.
Economy more you, but you said I'm so any question.
One is a new quest way.
Sana say uko to the request more from among some.
Into me talk popcorn me see can here 20 pesos obedi. Oh, say me is carry free.
They say Ghana and this Saskawe biom.
You say Ghana here.
Yendi Saskawe.
E dey to no mun discover.
Who the got to the common biom?
Who the way ko to the omunji? E dey to no munji. Farmer omunu. Why? Na me see can here 2020 o.
This guy aba see can say di we biom. We for 10 pesos.
O ti yendi. E dey to the yendi.
O so ma bande.
When is your abandon no? Abandon so abandon. You know. But me question here 20 pesos no. Obaje. Ose.
I tell you.
Adanka uncha anka unje.
Ebi munji mi didie.
Uji. E dey tin nkofo ebi munji.
Yeah, almost see aye bebre do.
Am say aye bebre, but say Ghana sika.
And this economy that John Dramani Mahama is somehow architecting. People are saying, Ghanaians, go on TikTok, go on WhatsApp, go on Facebook, social media, regardless of partisan colors, Nana Tufo, everybody is complaining about the government. Really? Yes. Have you not gone? You go on. They're saying things are hard. With this exchange rate policy that they keep trumping on, having spent over $11 billion This is Bank of Ghana, not Ibrahim Ajay talking, to prop up the cedi falsely against the dollar. Did we go or did we come? With all your propping up, and yes, the cedi is now gone up. You're looking at around 12. You can get some for 11.5. Others are giving 12 cedis to the dollar. But the range is there between 11 cedis 50 to 12. Before it's 10.46. See where things are going. And then you come and tell us that, oh, John, it's the Iran-Israel-US aggression. Really?
Is it not?
Yes, it is. But why didn't he recognize that? And then I heard some NDC commentator, a pedestrian commentator. He said, oh, but these are only two countries. I'm talking Russia and Ukraine. All right? You know? And this involves the USA and Israel and Iran. So there is more pressure on this war. And I want to say to the guy, are you not aware that the European Union is with Ukraine? A union of 20 plus countries are siding with Ukraine in this war, which has affected global supply chain, economies, inflation shot up across the globe because of we call it Russian-Ukraine war, but it's not a duopoly. It's not two people monopolizing a war. You have a swathe of Western Europe backing one party. I'm talking Ukraine in the war. So when I heard that pedestrian NDC commentator, I didn't want to respond. Sometimes if you give a response, you are elevating them where they need no elevation. But that's the reality. You asked a good question, Nana Tufo. Is it not the case?
Yeah.
That these pressures are causing these shocks?
Ghana no. Obia wo nemra a ordinance.
Obia nemra ne kita ne se
Obia wo the constitution. Because the last time I checked, Bank of Ghana say one you coins a crime.
Yeah, report say ni Panama police.
But 20% you work reporting Panama. Into we no try one city. Now there's something called
yes na share 50 pesos asem. And also na ekọ nanim say because enso na say
na 20 pesos.
20 pesos.
Na say 30 pesos. But because 10 pesos we nyinti na go 50. Enti ebedu bebi no na oto enso ni bi apart from cooler na mienu ye one city no. Oto other ones na nka one city. 3. Mini say nka so more 10 pesos. Omaw. Kaje say omaw 4. Omaw.
No so no be kwa kudim enti wo 10 pesos.
Enti dey no dey ba kudim.
Yes.
Na o make profit. Ye yan complaining. Ya cause what you are. And then, so for whatever reason, now somebody decided to say move to in Zuma. I was even checking. Pure water no, and I said water no. Bag no bag could 30. Mommy, what turn one city, that is 30 cities. But what turn friends store 10 Ghana. Meaning some for some point 20 cities.
What turn one bag we are 20
cities. Ale. We a quick seller. We a reseller. Omo go na minim so mun say 100% profit.
Na Cote d'Ivoire for so mu di coins.
Me nimo. Yetia nimo kura kan ho bi. Yetia ana omo start say omo di coins tuzuzu. As a people omo di people tuzuzu aye bone. Ana omo coins na asa.
Yetia o di coins tuzuzu because o di kwa goto ade nipa no onje.
Njaya omo kwa.
Eti bi ne betu tuzuzu.
Eti omo tuzuzu ni dia na do Christmas na.
Me de ko bank.
Omo de ko ma wan.
E de ko bank.
Bank no or the coins in Kugua on Zanfama back.
I say na do.
Ma coins in Kawo bank. Ah coins na so the coins in mame.
Na wonye reject na.
Mo man ti reject. E di me say coins na say coin. I say circle e go around. Me share be down there but say me to wa there na ma di awie. Na ma coins na wonje ma de be ko.
Ene samra we ya eye Bank of Ghana governor Esiama e ba be kan yi no. Ese o kan ba ko pe.
O say
ese nka ogusu kan samra ni. Ye shemu kinan.
But we don't have the enforcing method. And you no problem. Ye sa laws na beautiful. Me say yemra na ya chiche no. Bibia nu ato chema ho. Na kwa e be so implement because we implement e kan onua bi. E kan obra bi e kan wo fo bi. Intimala man fra so fo be frɛ. Ana wo hene be frɛ. Ama asem na foolish case. And na e problem. So say ade no esen ka so turn 70 pesos. Now we turn 1 cedi a. Means that what jump price 30 pesos. Opa, my in few years time. Yanga say for one or two reasons. And never boss akosoro. Oba increase 2 cities. And I want 50 pesos.
Open one say return so back 5 cities.
I didn't. Ghana na your minimum wage 19 cities. Men cotton so in a day. Na say so a real boy engine non stop. Minister what money so a day. Best my back will be a 5 Ghana. A free minimum wage of 19 Ghana. I say. 14 cities. Now, then, enter Ghana. Ufro Biano says, Charlie, what they say? Oh, we are managing. Will be your managers. Go be a salary, so no. But quite of us who end the month now. I'm calling him. Me assure say Ghana Hanno in a drug dealers because
so calculating.
Pass salary now. What is all right? You need a drug dealers in Ghana. How?
I don't know, bro.
I don't know the mom for this time. But wait, or not such a water now if you say, Naduma, I'm credit commission and Libyan. Get him what day.
Ain't a girl now, a student now, what I say, as a woman is a almost sebi illiterate. Almost or modest young and some more from Kakran, yes, sir. Because we say a lady or Kubusa Nasimi. Or say, ye jade, ya brassi may in the queens. And maybe I'm here for a while, what can I say my in the queens?
No, the issue is,
it may say education and course so.
Now, one in education. Ghana currencies, you were 10 pesos. 5 pesos, 5 pesos or
91 pesos. I'm quite the same.
5 pesos, 10 pesos, you were 20, you were 50, you were 1 city. Equal could see 200 citizens. Me what? Into the bender and a catcher is me in DB. And that because look, one part I blame for. Neo Titisigano.
Yeah.
Nan kitten no beer notes. Nan quite say we kitu ebi. Nti senka one pair your friend say 10 pesos up crowd for the wife.
Omo no mu kodwa no, mo na ne complain you.
10 pesos me ba 10 pesos no. Eh people gasi they will be taking it to. So 5 pesos can dey so paper come baji. Ghana ni peso at some classes in B as we do so
1 peso dey na friend ko for but.
Eh say nke nota gasi come baji.
Oh yes.
But the moment I quite, who say na the man from Peneji 5 pesos ne 10 pesos na me see say say they too tiny. This is na ira. The as ska won ban ira. So na discourage a man from taking it. Ana ira ya ko do be say na eno anga say free system mu. Not because a man ni, but because a man for guta and na ira from omunten. I don't even know why na is just that. Ana ye jump ko do a friend say
if you jay different hono
from 10 pesos from 5 pesos to 10 pesos you go do 20 pesos and then enter now do 50 pesos.
I said 20 pesos in your jay do.
And you know mo kaso mo jay do. And I make the enter e be 50 pesos so. And na we ton so once there. What the 50 pesos be? Say and so once there means automatically 50 pesos ni for so bi o. Ndi be do baby no. Say 150 pesos kwa ni menu asa. Usu unyindi e be ka we ka say ye jay di. Say the way kana. The question mark is say, we are causing hyperinflation. One hour your salary and now that's what 5,000. Young two. But and so now 250 pesos.
And they are two.
And they go 1 city. Even though Senka ye 2 mumpa, which is only 9 to no. Say ye 2 mumpa can say 70 pesos. But what the 30 pesos more account. Meaning say 30 pesos more every single so beto biano. A few salary.
And depends what calculate a day biano. You see a news you say.
and the credit in so and we and there is soon as one money say here now be an employer 010 because of the price no so they be and so now they could do one and so 1 city and offices we are say had dispenser boost no and you know in the obia kwa na ukta bottle well struggling the enemy now
and okwa no okwu and your friend say bugum
nso bia na nso nso nyinu kwa mase yenya no enya
tuba no abudi
egu
na we dey aba and no so dey want be moody am because nso okwo 50 pesos an ye kan ya wo ye dey ya obeto
wonim make us wo ye dey obeto but it's high time say it's regulate omuntimi decide nkasa ngwa asem no then you hear people say Ghanaians are suffering. The government is not doing well. The government is not working.
Coins no wunya etwa because they say ade say nyina yesika no. Obehu na coins aba be frem. E say ye 2 cedi say ye coin. Oh.
And so Akufo-Addo and be pray. No be so yi Kwame Nkrumah. It is the one that not Kwame Nkrumah too much. Obe so yi na free cedi so. And also yi free all the back coin. motivation be kwan no we are where motivi dada say amanfo jank 20d now what's that the you note no as I be any coin between 1 cedi coin and a 1 cedi paper then amanfo ta transaction pa any note no so it's clear that so focus on the notes now
transfer system in Gakran is free more
no
na
say papa na say mi shebi pa
na say be ko
any go say ko because I know kwa mean say what are they go back to 1 cedi coin and your coin already can say illiterate Ghana no is dominated by illiterates with education level from most of traders one do mama school no you catch them so ngoto nso am beton enyo mo say bi man school ni bi ankoro
no muti
do and what do you expect and they be make say look the reason why education is important is because enlighten woman unya certain ideas or knowledge understanding how ni be on and they work school after journalism unim no unia no eko even a friend say okoye doctor unim enti wo field na wo no say unya obi grow in school grow unim chenwa you can still teach the person for the person to have some understanding in the same way or no in business no oton in certain water
and no this
or better man lecture in certain way in business about a pure water selling and such water selling house unim
asan na no ka che say no de ma wa onnya bi mfa ensesa mfa
very good enti all my reasons enti a ontimi enye sa
to kra no ho be
so
obo de
government no and so of finding means and ways and yes sir there yet it say Ghana for ebre no ebe we na president a problem but catch them is it really the present problem
yeah
ya catch the companies is moon hot yenim sa say we beba because price na we go check no ye nya sa scan efa ma ho nde bi be ko so nde esi twa so jai na ye be bo ma ya easy niam ma so o mo anfa bu ni ni dia ma ban no o ma ko so ko yo mo niam
nen fu asemu kra nya ne sesi a president ka say no mu yi levi cv free so no
but so what take you this wi o ma take this wi
o say ndo mu ntimi ka say no mba be see ewe
Ghana no say bia ko so ba from that the konobo echo 7 no abatare because of me say the normal Ghanaian etrimu ya dinchen politician
tine se nso ya sha asie na efiri won mo ba ne kakra kakra
so ntibio
because akra na esi a sha asie
ko say dey start biro na omo no etese what is new year na omo da break masifo omo so tese what is new afre sunyane etakra de ne ke kosumo ne de mo de ebedu bebia
na se beton so 1 cedi
why
na se dey bia wo yo bia no so 5 a
ade bi okra obi man mabro ke mame na enyanse isu agebo
ene enko chechire wotai penny de penny
bugu mu na na ebe bugu agum free pipe na dia ba eto de dia amanfo wo pipe so mu fi wasiri nsu
what there we on the pipe de wood na mawia so a eshi nsu na bia what na eshi wuntimi no
oh fasi o
but wunya penny de penny na cool come ya punu mu
won dey say a doctor for no health workers mu kra say say yes almost yes no pa ye no warm water
and say ya no pa o
ma dey bi ma hiam for so na pre health o no fa enyo mo pe ni say mo wish za o ba won say za wa ni vegetables no mu di no ena mo ho eden but enyo mo pe o scan any ho konya na ntwina ni pontina no bi anko ba wi
so na ntwina so efu
da bi ordinary fo no ono to na ntwini mu because what scan if is onya any income bia no na any income to yenko wi o to ton e ma fo mo wi no unhu se farmer akodo tomatoes no wi no yin pro ye no e da si fie se o mu ni no akoton papa no
body no ofa de das
yes no na wo de papa no akoton ke opesika ndi sa mo ma we enforce ye yen sha se empe bottle yem wi enso wu God, the government is
already so ye nyina ya dwen so ntimi nye pedenti there say ye ne say ye pe kwan bi so a e be fa na sa na me nyina so ano
price unit control
be person na ese timi ba
one price unit control they should be able to be an institution say ye wo FDA obehwe say aduana wo ye no eye papa wait me hote wait me to aduane bia na to aduane hote no yen sample price unit control which I think say it used to be there matidi enti na dey Baby ma bi na mu bomu ma no because ya dwen no enkenke this a prince wura yi mu ansa. Ndi what the price control no be now you say shop A eton one product 3 cedis shop B ton 4 cedis now we chire dem dey how dey na 4 cedis na mu nyina no esaso the same distance I don't know ton 4 cedis and the way am come to me you have the government authority and one me busa say your Ghana forces osunyane aye started water your in the prisons force started or make started water look make it nationwide if the Ghana armed forces a quarters will be a momunyebi ma prison for be anyebi
no mutete wo mo de no so
automatically say on government there ba ni hu say ni so nkura say clean mu ye de e chen sa we na ye mfa mo de hu biu
omankasa kra beto abane
the only problem no the government does not give traders competition and the omo high price na omo nyene because omo say we den amount here product no and without them getting the product a big issue and the other omo abeto the same price na be we na gas oh ye ho kire but nema e from and nema na government ye e wahin and nema na government ye no minu bi ne trimu yadin and the government na say obe regulate ya adwene by force am I
onu say adwadifo bi no so no se me kan say ye wo onu wa bie wo store wo de wo di eje 1 Ghana na me so makwa akoto na mate me de no so de eje 50 pesos on say me de ne ye beto no mo
sure
ate me ni bra ba wo wo do ni bra ba be so ye me so
Nigeria for you bia dey need me on the product are Ghana ni ton
ene ma on usuro no nti no no mu nyina adua kobenkum ne no
Nigeria for no eguzu ye no Ghana
no say can say trade union congress for sorry ya no mo
omo so dey see
omo so esu say Nigeria for na jeju omo nu ma
omo so wie no ye ma
Nigeria ni buy o ye petit
me say omo so wie ne ma mu so ma mu ko manim because Ghanaians know say mu wi ye it is obi aba no mom competition it's allowed se mo de ye na moti ana moton anyama se de se e fata de maya enke be kumbi amam ye wana China for retail o Ghana ye forso and the reason why ye forso ne say ye ja ye ne mu nko amukue awudi sem na we traders meeting and the omono adekitwa bia government the tax back up once the kuraka omade ho a o metwa ntan ye hu meeting hu press conference nsin hunu mo nko na Ghana no mo wana ya kan en Ghana no bi
ya mudi miya ye de na makama no
dem ye say tax bia de sham bia mo de bre yo ye de say hwe yet they will be doing press conference so mo dwene ho ma government COVID-19 so tax so emission tax so free omo details no dey no sign dey na some money mu the government is doing everything right to make the life of the Ghanaians comfortable but the Ghanaians are doing everything right to make sure that Ghanaians suffer na area you could blame why o be so nya position na as o tete nyankopon abra mu ni na musu man tese bonsam eno so a bia na mo benya de bia
dey nyina suban tese position ba so mo na ayi o mo
na nado de ese esa wo no so biu e ma na sa be di Ghana
na nado
se ye wo ni su biu na obedi Ghana so because e trimu adin say no sa ne ye fata
nya na nado ma enya nya
na nya je ne DJ Rollins no mfa military mbe buyen ni hwe nyansa ni edin se mu no do
asemo my Ghana say ensuo sachet water ba ko ebinim airton no eye 1 Ghana baby a wo no say e na ye ton no na ka me say Ghana ye see sequence ni de ye twam ye ni biem ebe boa yen am economy no etimi akonanim ana say ye beti asasa ye chi fa comment no fa bra comment section o kai so be subscribe to your channel no de ma ya face so be share amenu bi so site mi akabi medin ene ma mi akua menen
Maxi Billion
ya kram